Waambie hapo mimi ni msanii.
Wewe ni msanii? Unafanyaga nini?
Nafanyaga hapo hivyo hip hop.
Hip hop?
Za Kenya.
Unaweza tuagushia moja?
Inaanguka.
Cheza na moja.
Atisikiza hii kwa speaker ichape, miko beat lazima ni wabambe. Hii ni ingine motofaya mungoje ni wapange. Kwa bash ni kilanda zima ni wawashe. Wasanii DM collabo tufanye. Kwa booth lazima kiwake.
My bro here is killing it like crazy, man.
Yeah.
You know?
From Nakuru.
From Nakuru. What's your name, bro?
I'm Kolo Yang.
At
Kolo, jina yangu ni Kolo, ya usanii ni Kolo Yang.
Kolo Yang. I think you can do music, bro.
I do.
What's up, guys? This is Ken. If you like it, Macharia. And I'm coming live from this stage, all Matatu terminals here in Nakuru. But my big aim is to take you for a simple tour of Nakuru town. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like and share this video. So, I'm coming live from this stage terminal, direct opposite from the highway and the highway towers. You see? You know? Yeah, there are some guys. You know, sometimes people like to be on camera, but others just bring trouble, you know. Let me take you for a simple walk, you know. I take you for a simple walk around this place, and maybe you will enjoy this video, you know. Let me pass a place here. There is so many guys, and see whether they will bring trouble, you know. Yeah. You can see this. You know, so this is Nakuru tour, as you heard somebody saying. And show yako ini ya YouTube
Inaitagwaje?
inaitwa Macharia YouTube channel.
Macharia YouTube channel. Utakuta Macharia YouTube channel. Alafu unafanya content gani buda?
Ni ya kuonyesha watu mtaa vile inakaa.
Nakuru tour.
Nakuru tour.
Na waambie hapo mimi ni msanii.
Wewe ni msanii? Unafanyaga nini?
Nafanyaga hapo hivyo hip hop.
Hip hop?
Za Kenya.
Unaweza tuagushia moja?
Inaanguka.
Cheza na moja.
Atisikiza hii kwa speaker ichape, miko beat lazima ni wabambe. Hii ni ingine motofaya mungoje ni wapange. Kwa bash ni kilanda zima ni wawashe. Wasanii DM collabo tufanye. Kwa booth lazima kiwake.
My bro here is killing it like crazy, man.
Yeah.
You know?
From Nakuru.
From Nakuru. What's your name, bro?
I'm Kolo Yang.
At
Kolo, jina yangu ni Kolo, ya usanii ni Kolo Yang.
Kolo Yang. I think you can do music, bro.
I do.
Have you written something somewhere?
Ni mingi sana.
I think you need to go to the studio. And do you have a phone?
I have a phone.
Can I take your number? Maybe somebody might sponsor you. You never know.
You never know.
Let me see.
Nakuru kuna wasanii. Na
mnafanya Kenya unaweza taka wakufanyie.
Support hapo hivyo YouTube channel yangu Kolo Yang OG 254.
Ama uwape namba hapo kwa kamera.
Hapo hivyo mwenye ni msanii bado ama wewe ni producer unaweza support kijana ni 07 13 989 629.
Wazi.
Naweza rudia bado.
Rudia tu.
0713 989 629. Niko hapa Nakuru Odeon.
So guys, please, my guys, take care of my brother here. He is doing a very nice job. You can hear the laugh, man. That's crazy. That's wonderful. So guys, if you know you can do something, reach out to that number and you can change his life. You never know. You know? Yeah. Na nyinyi mtabia wase aje. Hustle. Wewe unafanyaga nini, brother?
Ni hustle tu hapa. Tutakutana na customer hapa napeleka kwa gari hapa.
Haya, na wewe unafanyaga aje?
Mimi nafanya tu hiyo tu bro, yani hiyo ndio job tu.
Hustle?
Hiyo ndio hustle. Nafanya tu nakimbiza hivyo tu yani unaona. Na hiyo ndio
hiyo ndo riziki yetu, unaona.
Okay, na wewe bro?
Ni hustle.
Wewe pia ni hustle? Huyu ndiye tu msanii?
Na wamsupport mbaya hapo wenye wanazuma hapo. Wamsupport mbaya.
Kolo Young OG, hiyo ndio YouTube channel, Kolo Young OG 254.
Na simu yako iko on brother?
Iko on. Iko on.
So watu wangu umesikia simu yake iko on. So you can call this guy actually. Okay, do you know how to talk in English?
English, yes, I know how to talk in English.
I like it because most of my audience is don't know Swahili actually.
They are from abroad.
Yeah, they are from abroad and other countries, African countries. You know, and most of them don't know Swahili.
Okay.
You know, so bro, you can tell them thank you in advance.
Thank you in advance for those who are going to reach me in my YouTube channel. I will thank you, all of you, and welcome to Nakuru. When you come to Nakuru, reach me in Odeon Highway Towers location.
Okay.
Where you can get me. And subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kolo Young OG 254.
Oh, I look for your channel.
Yeah,
I'll support you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Nice time. Let me give my people a quick tour of this town.
Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Nice time.
Okay. So guys, wazi bro. Wazi bro. You know guys, it's like that. Those guys are actually trying to make a living, you know. And if you know that guy is doing good music, you heard him laughing like he is doing fine, you know. So if you think you can help that guy achieve his dream actually and take him out of this trouble or struggles in this town, please, you can do it. I think you can do a very, very beautiful job actually. I'm here, I'm listening to music, Conor Maynard, hip hop, and I want to give you a brief tour of this town. Maybe you can enjoy, guys. You can see County Council. They are doing their magic here. That's crazy, man. Wow, this is Nakuru actually, looking so beautiful. But it's rainy season. One thing you need to know, it's raining season. It's raining a lot every time. Like, even if right now it's late in the evening, it's been raining like crazy here, you know. But we waited for this long, for so long, for this rain actually. I mean, we waited for it for so long. You can see the streets. Actually, they are looking so beautiful, man. Please guys, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Let me actually wipe my camera off. I guess it's better now. So, if you're new, do make sure you subscribe, man. I really do appreciate it in advance. Imagine this is Nakuru. Who knows? We have trees at the middle of the city, you can see. Yeah. And a very organized parking everywhere. A very organized parking. We have some guys taking pictures of their shop, advertising their businesses. Wow. Where are you now? I'm devastated. I'm singing. Do you know, guys, I can sing, man. I can sing somehow, you know. But let me give you a quick tour of our town here. I'm so faded, faded. I'm so faded. I'm so faded, 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 faded. Can you go and check out that song, Conor Maynard, Faded? It's a crazy, crazy song. But that's for, I don't know. For me, it's a vibe. I just listen it for a vibe in it, you know. But it feels like somebody who is heartbroken. I don't know. Can you go and listen to that song actually? Okay. And also, I need to show you this. This is where people come to have like lunch, you know, chicken. We do have chicken meal. It's a very beautiful hotel here. But there's a time I came here and they were like, please don't film us, man. But they later realized that I'm kind of advertising their business, you know. Let me show you the tallest building in Nakuru. This is the only tallest building we have in Nakuru. Yeah, let me count how many floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 floors. Oh, it's big, man. Let me see you on the other side, you know. It just came from Kenyatta Avenue and now we are in another difficult name there, Paddick Nehera Road. Wow, that's a very difficult name, you know. And when I was new in this town, actually I will show you guys, like I will show you. Yeah, I used to come to party like crazy, you know. I used to like partying in the evening and at night in a club, like most of the time weekends, because I'm a football fan, you know. I'm a great football fan. So I used to come somewhere here. Let me show you. To watch football, that is. You see this house here, this one? Yeah. This place used to be famous like crazy, but these days I have no idea like what happened, you know. I used to party there most of the weekends in the evening, but for now our business is to show you how beautiful this town looks like, you know. Wow. I love how people do look at you when you are filming. Like everybody is looking at you. Like, what is this guy actually doing? And now, toward that direction is toward the stage. But let me take this simple route here. This small route here takes you to the mosque. You know. Wow, if you're from Nakuru, you know this place. I'm very sure you know this place. But I just want to show you on camera, on lens, and you can see like how it looks like, you know. You might be walking here every day and you say like, Macharia, we know that place. We all know. No, man. You know, there's some audience from different places. You know, Kenya is big, and some people have never been here. And they want to be like, we want to know your city or your town, how it looks like, you know. I don't know. I don't know why my leg is paining. One of my leg is paining. I don't know. I have no idea why. And now, oh, it's raining already. It's raining already. That's crazy. You can see the lane is coming as I approach the mosque. We have another big shop, let me call it or a store, you know, and people most of the time do buy things like in wholesale. You see this Kanini Plaza? Most of the time you can buy these. They do wholesales. Actually, you can see the big name outside there. I don't know whether you can see. It's written Kanini Wholesalers. Wow, it's raining, man. The rain just started when I'm in town. So please consider subscribing, man. Get me to 5,000 subscribers. I really appreciate. Wow, it's raining here. It's raining. I don't know. Let me see what I can do. You can see the mosque, guys. Yes, the mosque. Oh yeah. This is the mosque. The Nakuru, I think, biggest mosque we have inside the CBD. Okay. And when it rains, the jam starts. You can see, guys. Let me see what I can do here. Wow, the rain is getting heavier. I don't know whether you can see me, guys. I'm having soup. Let me like switch on the light. Now you can see me. I'm having soup, and it's like this. That's goat soup. It's very, very nutritious, very healthy. If you have this, you can't get sick like anyhow. You're going to be strong. You grow your muscle, you know, and also your strength. You gain your strength very fast. Like it's very nutritious, you know. So I can recommend you guys sometimes, if not always, you can go and have soup or take soup. Goat soup, you know. Very, very good. This is goat soup. In a hotel, I don't know its name actually, but most of the time I do come here to take soup and sometimes to eat ugali, you know. It's at the middle of CBD, in Nakuru CBD. I will check the name of this hotel. I'll tell you guys. I will definitely tell you.